Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mango raspberry fruit dressing. I've got a lot of ideas on how to use this, and it's really easy to make. Now you need a small blender to do this, and to start with I'm going to add one fresh mango that I've cut up. It's about 1 cup of mango cubes. You can use mango that was frozen, that you bought frozen, but I would allow it to thaw out before you actually blend it. And then I have 1/4 cup of raspberries. These were frozen and I just allow them to thaw out. And then I have 1 Clementine orange that I peeled, and I just cut the pieces in half just to make them a little easier to blend up. You don't have to do that, but I just prefer to do that. And that's all the ingredients there is. Now I'm going to blend it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Now as you can see, it is absolutely beautiful color. It does blend up a little bit thin. Some applications that thinness is perfect. Other applications you might want it a little bit thicker. To do that, you'll just add up to 1 tablespoon of ground flax meal with it when you're blending it up. And I would use the golden flax meal in there so it won't be quite as visible. But I have a lot of ideas on ways to use this. I'm going to follow it up with another video on those, and also on my blog as well. Give this a try sometime. The recipe is below and on my blog. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.